Hello, this is Joyce.
Jordan here, and we're again in XinZhu, this time to introduce to you the XinZhu Mazu Miao.
I'm moving too far. Getting lost.
We are here at the XinZhu长和宫. This is a small temple, but it also is one of great importance. At this temple, they have the hair of Mazu. I didn't know this, but Mazu is actually a person that is a historical figure, and she cut off some of her hair into 3 parts. She gave those 3 parts to different patrons, and one of those patrons made it, put it in the temple here. What's special about this temple is that her hair is only here, but it's the only one left that remains. After the Cultural Revolution in mainland China, the other 2 parts of hair have been destroyed. The layout of this temple is also kind of unique. You see, you do have in parallel this hallway and the other hallway on the right. The goddesses on each end are parallel to each other. That's not a normal design feature of a Buddhist temple. At the same time, this temple was also voted in recent years as one of Taiwan's top 100 cultural sites for religious buildings. During the reign of Emperor Qianlong in the Qing dynasty, the market of Zhuqian gradually developed. From the north gate of Zhuqianchang to the northwest, it can lead to the old port of Qianxi River mouth, which is the only route for trade with the mainland. Most of them gather at the north gate. There's a fish market, rice market, charcoal, and other livelihood necessities, all of which naturally gather here, and gradually it formed into a commercial center. In 1742, the 7th year of Qianlong, Zhuangnian of the Tamsui Hall and the guard Chen Shiting proposed to build a Mazu Temple Changhe Palace in the north wing of the bamboo cut. Later, because it was located outside the north gate, it was called Wai Mazu Temple, which is different from the one located in the north gate, the inner Mazu Temple in the city.
The Mazu statue enshrined in Changhe Palace was brought in from the Mazu Temple in Meizhou, and it is also the earliest Mazu in the Taozhumiao area. The name of the temple is Changhe, which means long tranquil operation and peaceful coexistence. Originally, the apse was also dedicated to King Narcissus. He and Mazu were both gods of seafaring and praying for the safety and smoothness of ships. By 1863, Tongzhi second year, XinZhu had become the center of the northern Taiwan. Because of the prosperous incense, the original sea god worshipped could not longer meet the needs of the people. So another Narcissus Palace was built on the left side of Changhe Palace to worship Narcissus King. the apse was changed to worship Guanyin Bodhisattva, called Zhuan Temple, which became a state of coexistence of many gods. Hey Jordan, what are today's vocabulary words?
They are rain, gradually, charcoal, livelihood, necessity, coexistence, narcissus, seafaring, smoothness, prosperous, bodhisattva,